Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Zobo Ribena Mocktail. And to make this, we'll be needing some Zobo leaf, which is also known as hibiscus flower. So you can get this from your local market or your supermarket. The first thing to do when you get these leaves and you want to use them is to rinse them multiple times. Most times they have like some sands and stones at the down part of the water, so you just have to rinse out the leaves and then discard the water, and you can rinse for about 2 to 3 times. So once I'm done rinsing that, I'm going to set it aside and then cut some ginger. So I've rinsed this properly and I'm just going to cut it alongside with the back as well. You can do away with the skin, it is okay, but you can also just chop or pound or blend everything and it will totally serve the purpose, okay? After chopping that nicely, I'm going to transfer the zobo leaves into the pot and then I'm going to add in lots of water as well as the chopped ginger. I would cover the pot and allow it to boil. So once it starts boiling, I'm going to let it boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, after which I would allow it to cool down completely. Once it is ready, I'm now going to strain out the juice and then discard the leaves. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Fidel. Please don't make it your last, okay? And also a kind reminder for you to like this video, drop your comments and subscribe if you're yet to. Thank you. So to sweeten, I'm going to use some pineapple flavor and some Coke flavor. These are my preferred sweeteners, okay? You can do away with them. You can use some sugar or honey or any kind of sweetener you choose to. It's totally fine. I'm just going to give that a good stir and then transfer it into my jar. Oops. I'm also going to be adding in some Ribena. You can use Ribena extract or Ribena juice. It's totally fine. Some lime and lemon juice as well. I'm using Sprite. And I'll just let that sit while I chop up my fruits. So I'm using a combination of cucumber and watermelon. Trust me guys, this step is so essential. The flavors from these fruits are just going to elevate the taste of the mocktail, and trust me, you really don't need to skip it, okay? Once I'm done slicing, I'm going to transfer them all into the mug. Once you're done with that, you give that a very good stir to combine, and it's advisable to keep this in the fridge and let it chill for about 3 hours so you can get the best flavor out of the mocktail. The next step is to rim the glass that you would use to serve the mocktail, and I'm using watermelon for that. You can use lemon or lime, whichever one is totally fine. Next, we'll be needing some granulated sugar. So you would use the edges of the glass to just pat on the sugar until you get a very good amount of that on the glass, okay? Then our glass is ready to be used. You can now pour in your mocktail and enjoy. Now you can share this with your loved ones and everyone is going to love it. So to beautify our glass further, you can now top up with more fresh fruits and our mocktail is ready. I hope you all get to give this one a try. Don't forget to send me pictures on any of my social media handle because I'll be very glad to see them. Bye!